decided to do a little voiceover on this one again, the way I did, I think, the last one. It's a little less work on the production end to do it this way. So this is going to be sort of a look-see at the blizzard of March 2017. And it starts out with a shot of my truck and my wife's van first thing this morning, and then a little bit of the trip on my way to work and a little bit of trip on the way back. Taken pretty much in the same spot. So I know you all wish you were here with us, but I just thought I'd put this up to make you feel better about not being here. Is that right? Did I get that right? I don't know. March 13, approximately 8 o'clock in the morning. Actually, I'm sorry, 14, March 14. Nice, huh? Yeah, wish you were here, don't you? So it's quarter of 9, give or take, in the morning, March 14th. I'm traveling south on New Hampshire Route 10, which is basically a main north-south route, at least in through here. So we are in New Hampshire, just across the river from Vermont. And now you'll note it, I don't know if you can tell, it is snowing. This is the beginning of what is supposed to be a big storm. You can, I think, tell that the road is more traveled on my side than on the other side. So headed south, it's more traveled. That's because most of the jobs are to the south, at least until you get to Hanover, New Hampshire, or Lebanon, New Hampshire, down that way. Some manufacturing there, big hospital, so on. Hang on a second. Sorry about the shakes with the my mount for the phone is not that great here in the truck, and the road is a little bumpy. I put in four-wheel drive this morning, not that I think I'm going to have to dig out of any snow banks, but because this is a small pickup, despite the fact that I've got a couple of buckets of sand in the back end, as many of you may know, back end of the pickup truck doesn't mind fishtailing occasionally, so the four-wheel drive keeps that to a minimum. Anyway, I thought I'd take a shot coming in through here, and on the way home tonight, I'll probably come back up this same way, headed in the other direction. Comparison. See if we actually got all the snow we're supposed to get. Back at you. Or what I suppose I should say is we'll check back this afternoon and see what developed. Well, this isn't the exciting for some snowplow. Hey. So we're in approximately the same place we were this morning when I shut us off. It's about 4:20. Got out of work a little bit early today because of the weather. ordinarily this is a 35, 40 mile an hour area, and we're doing 20, which seems about right given the conditions. I've got it in four-wheel drive, of course. Again, that doesn't give you a license to drive fast just because you got four-wheel drive. I've seen a lot of SUVs and so forth off the road because people figure, well, I got four-wheel drive, I can go as fast as I want. Which might be the case, but four-wheel drive doesn't help much when you put the brakes on, because then you got four-wheel slide. So I thought maybe I might just put this post up tonight. It's still Tuesday, March 14th. Just to help those of you who miss the snow, sort of give you a little taste of what you're missing. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. And those of you who are glad you're not up in New England or northern states or whatever, you can just be happy that you're not here. I know there's some of you in the Philippines and other southern places where snow isn't much of an issue, and this is what you get to deal with occasionally. I suspect this will be our last big storm of the year. So we got a ways to go before we get home. I'm gonna shut her down right about here. I think this is about where it's turned it on this morning. All right. See if we can make it home and see what develops. Thought I'd give you a view of that bridge I walked across during that the first, I think it might have been the first vlog. There it is. We're going to be crossing the Connecticut River into Vermont. Pretty well plowed off. Okay, I've come up on the Route 5 here, one of the main north-south highways on the east side of Vermont. And here we are. And I'm guessing my wife didn't go anywhere today. And I wonder if I can get stuck here, despite four-wheel drive. Car coming by. There we go. Nothing to it, almost. Whoop, a little stucky. See, they haven't plowed this driveway, or whatever you call it, and there we go. I put this picture up, you've seen it before, but I wanted to put it up again so you could see the hill over behind the house across the street, and how, with the way it was snowing tonight, you'll notice the hill has disappeared. Now, honest, the hill didn't move any further away. It just disappeared because of the way the snow was blowing and so forth. So we'll see what things look like in the morning, and as they say, we'll wait overnight and see what's developed. All right.